Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SU-GX70 Network audio amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this amplifier not working or making weird sounds, or if it seems to be frozen, if it's not connecting to something, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to set it up on a new network and just get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new. We can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. We're going to need the controller and we're going to just keep an eye on this display here. And we're just going to come over to our controller and hit the setup button. And then once we hit the setup button, we're going to use the up and down arrows to toggle through the options and then the OK button to select. So we're gonna, once we hit the setup, we'll get the setup menu here. We'll use those arrows to toggle up or down until we get to initialization. Initialization on the screen, then we'll hit the OK button. And then we're just gonna toggle to yes to confirm. And then once it does a partial part of the reset, we're just gonna toggle to yes to confirm one more time. It will be completely reset, all the memory wiped and everything, and you can set it up as a new device.